Alright, let's make some Scottish favourite porridge. Going to make 3 different types. Honey porridge, you're going to need a 1/3 cup of oats, some honey and 1 cup of water. Now let's get making this on my camping stove. Pouring in my oats to my saucepan and the water. Let's put the gas camping stove. I've put this on a low heat for 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure you get a grown-up helper to help you with this. You should never use a camping stove without a grown-up helping you. Let's put my lid on and leave it to cook. I'm going to turn off my gas now, as I can hear my timer going off. Remember, you always need a grown-up helper to help you take this off the gas stove, as the handle is very hot. They'll use a cloth to get it off with. Get a grown-up helper to pour the porridge into your bowl for you, as it is steaming hot. I'm using a scraper, and I can get all of the yummy porridge out of the saucepan. My porridge looks a little bit messy. Let's just clear it up with a clean cloth. Doesn't matter, we can always clean it up. Rice milk for mine, as I like it to be dairy free. Pour in a little bit. Then let's add my runny honey to this mixture. Drizzle as much honey as you like on. I've drizzled a lot because I like quite a lot of honey. Here's my first porridge ready. Honey porridge. Many of you like chocolate, so I've decided to make cocoa porridge. You'll need 1/4 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 1 cup of water and a 1/3 cup of oats. Let's make some cocoa porridge. Let's pour in to my saucepan the oats, water and cocoa powder, and we'll put this on my gas stove to cook. Turn the gas stove on, turn it on low for 3 to 5 minutes. The timer has gone off, so I'm going to take my porridge off the hob. Remember to use a cloth and get a grown-up helper to help you with this, as it's going to be very hot. Oh, turn it off. Yep, and that's turned off. I'm going to pour my porridge into my bowl. It's very hot, so you need a grown-up helper to help you with this. It's very, very hot. Steaming hot. And you can add some rice milk or any milk you like to this to give it a bit more sweetness and cool it down. There's my second porridge, cocoa porridge. Delicious. My favourite, the 3rd and final porridge, banana cinnamon. You'll need 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 whole banana sliced, 1 cup of water and a 1/3 cup of oats. Pour in the oats to my saucepan, water, cinnamon. Put this on the heat, on a low heat. Getting a grown-up helper to help you with this, that's very dangerous, for 3 to 5 minutes. Pour in my cinnamon porridge into my bowl. Add a little rice milk. This time I'm going to mix it up a little bit. Then add my sliced banana to the top to make it look a bit more interesting. That is my final porridge made. Delicious. I've made my 3 porridges. Which one are you going to make?